Hey guys, welcome back to Feynman Education's YouTube channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into the business world's graveyard of failed mergers. From sky-high expectations to crushing disappointments, these mergers were like fireworks, brilliant for a moment, but then eventually fizzled out. So grab your popcorn and let's explore the 10 biggest failed mergers of all time. So at number 10, we have Rio Tinto Alcan, the world of metals. In 2007, these two companies decided to merge. Rio Tinto's acquisition aimed to capitalize on the booming aluminium market, but a write-down of $8.9 billion in 2012 due to declining aluminium prices left investors in a shock. The metal giant stumbled on economic turbulence. At number 9, we're looking into the retail world with the merger of Kmart and Sears in 2005. The struggling giants hoped to find strength in unity, but store closures, layoffs, and declining stock prices then all followed. The retail landscape proved harsh, and the merger faced challenges navigating change and consumer behaviors. At number 8, we have a very recent household name, Pfizer. So this is to do with the pharmaceutical drama between Pfizer and Allergan in 2016. The plan was to create an absolute pharmaceutical powerhouse, but US tax regulations crashed the party. Pfizer had to pay around $150 million in fees, and the dream of a mega pharma company faded away. Tax rules can be a harsh pill to swallow. At number 7, we're talking about two communication giants, AT&T and T-Mobile. They decided to merge in 2011. The proposed acquisition aimed to solidify AT&T's position, but regulatory authorities pumped the brakes due to an antitrust concern. AT&T had to pay a hefty $3 billion breakup fee to provide valuable spectrum assets. The dream of telecom behemoth shattered. At number 6, we're looking onto the world of telecommunications as well. So Sprint and Nextel's merger in 2005 was anticipated to create a powerhouse in mobile services. However, the $29.7 billion write-down in 2008, just 3 years later, signaled major disconnect. Incompatible technologies and the loss of valuable customers made this a case study in communication breakdowns within the telecom industry. At number 5, we venture into the world of chemicals with Dow Chemical and DuPont. The merger completed in 2017 was intended to create a powerhouse, but the plan to split into 3 separate entities faced criticism. The complex restructuring and challenges in managing the diversified businesses resulted in a rocky journey for Dow DuPont. Chemical equations aren't always that straightforward, as you know. And for number 4, we're looking back into the early 2000s where HP and Compaq joined forces to create a tech giant. The $25 billion merger faced fierce opposition, including from HP's founders. Despite promises of synergies, the integration proved challenging, and a $50 billion market value drop signaled strategic misstep. Shareholders weren't convinced, and the HP-Compaq union struggled for years. At number 3, we're back into the food and beverage industry. So Quaker Oats and Snapple agreed for a sweet $1.7 billion merger in 1994, hoping to tap into the booming beverage market. However, mismanagement and changing consumer tastes left Quaker with a bitter aftertaste. The company had to swallow a bitter pill, selling Snapple for a mere $300 million in 1997. Costly sip indeed. Number 2 is my personal favorite. We're talking about Daimler-Benz and Chrysler. The merger aimed to create a global automotive powerhouse, but cultural differences and operational challenges derailed the dream. In 2000, a staggering $28 billion write-down signaled the end of the road for DaimlerChrysler. Sometimes even the smoothest rides hit unexpected potholes. I mean, if we're going to put this into daily terms, they were losing nearly $10 million a day for 10 years. Surely someone would have said no earlier. And finally, at number one, in the early 2000s, there was a blockbuster merger between AOL and Time Warner. In a world buzzing with the promise of the internet, AOL's $226 billion market value seemed unstoppable. However, as the dot-com bubble burst, AOL's fortunes plummeted to nearly $20 billion. The clash of cultures between the tech and media giants was a recipe for disaster, and AOL Time Warner became a cautionary tale of overestimating synergies. And there you have it, the intricate stories behind each failed merger where grand visions collided with unforeseen challenges. If this journey through the canals of business history intrigued you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for deep dives in the world of business at Feynman Education. Please also comment what top 10 series you'd like us to do next.